Oğlum o simidi yiyorum ben akşam ya.
Been a real one. You can leave right here. Come on, let's go.
Guys.
Alright, so we're going to put you on his shoulder. Like right now. Yeah. Yes. Okay, up. Alright. Get it off. Yeah. Is it coming? It's coming. Is it? I don't know. This side's clear. Are you? Yeah, pull that side. I'll pull this side.
Well, there's people watching.
Are you in any pain?
And this one might go here.
No. If you pull this, I think we
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has now turned on the fasten seatbelts as well will be landing in a few minutes. In preparation for our arrival, we are kindly asked you to return to your seats and fasten your seatbelt. Please place your head table into the fully upright position, open your window blinds and store your luggage under the seat in front of you or in the other hand.